Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your EDIFIER NeoDots. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Firstly, we will perform a soft reset. So then close the case, and now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. And then you just open the charging case, remove your earbuds and check, is it fix your problem? If it doesn't, I recommend you to perform a factory reset. And to perform a factory reset is too simple, so just put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the right side we have connectional button, and you need to press 3 times at this connectional button, and the LED light on the front side starts blinking orange. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now, we need to remove these earbuds from your phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return here. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to print mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button to enter print mode, we just tap at these earbuds at the device list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!